Hello everybody, welcome back to Americom. This is your teacher Joseph. Guys, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Make sure that you like, your comment, and you share to your friend, because a lot of you would like to speak English, but sometimes we get problem, and the problem that we got is that we don't have the perfect person who can lead us to the right direction. Okay guys, longer on all lesson tusulisana tablo wanu ya rahara, right? Ini ya hanyu mwelewe pasingo wanru wengi waotambia hama ile soeno be avantusa na rabone rabuzi. Okay, so baada rabone cloche parisi maketa leso moja. Okay, kasi mwenye wakati ngerino direct hama modal verbs, okay? So modal verbs, leso ikamba na zoni wengi waotambia na uyo wakadu mwelewa koma, you know what I'm saying? Be leonge jofanye namna realize namna ikamba toshinda reelewi I modal verbs atanakanga tsori babu henjour na karenda Ameriki au rende Dubai ristambia na kanga tsarumie ndrongo marde zino bana, okay? Alright, so stick with me on the board, because like I really like when my student listen attentively what I'm actually up to on the board, alright? So listen to me very closely. Here we have modal verbs. Okay, so modal verbs, so we have can, could, may, must, and should. And then after we got might. So there's tungo kuna zangina. There's common used, alright? So nakarunga common used. Zindezo kama mbawa sizurumia kula suku, kula katu, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So naringale lo relewe. Alright, so here we have can, okay? Can savitiri ability. Yorungwa nunguza ability and permission and then probability. Okay, so nakarungwa can yorungwa ability, present ability. Present ability, ça c'est être capable de faire quelque chose au présent. C'est bon? On utilise can. Exemple, on a I can speak English. I can speak English, ça veut dire je peux parler l'anglais. Ça veut dire je suis capable de parler l'anglais. Ça c'est être capable de faire quelque chose au présent. Messi, par exemple, Messi can play football. Messi, ouais, joue à ball, ça veut dire il est capable de jouer le foot. Cristiano Ronaldo can play football. Cristiano Ronaldo joue à ball, whatever, you know what I'm saying? So this is actually the example of can, how my ability, être capable de faire quelque chose au présent. Here we have permission. On utilise can, demander permission. Here we have can I go to the bathroom? Okay, can I go to the bathroom? Ça veut dire est-ce que je peux aller aux toilettes? You understand? So can I go to the bathroom? Excuse me, sir. Can I go to the bathroom? All right. So okay. So here we have probability. So probability, ça c'est probabilité. Okay. So it can be Mark. He is in London. Okay. Ça peut être quelqu'un by Mark parce que he is in London, in Londres. Do you understand? Par exemple, nakanga go gerto hadisi amba ngobo mamsa leo Londres ho apara doctora, like he got PhD, so gerto basi yo mamsa na para PhD, right? Apara doctora. Oh, it can be Mark. Do you understand? Donc oui, probabilité. Ça veut dire je suis pas sûr, mais it can be Mark parce que Mark wenge Londres. Do you understand? Okay, so here we have it can be Mark. He is in London. Mbosede way Mark parce que wenge Londres. Mbosede way demro apara yi PhD yo doctora. Alright, so here we have could. Could, that is the past ability. Can, ça c'est le présent. Here we have could, ça c'est le passé. Do you understand? So here we have past ability and request. Could doit na zangina because is zona vasa parce que zo bolemba ngendo doucement. Do you understand? Alright, so here we have could, past ability. Example, we have he could swim when he was 6 years old. So he could swim when he was 6 years old. Kataka na 6 ans akushinda nage. Do you understand? Cela veut dire que avasa kashinda parce que bosenge na 65 ans. I don't know. Alright, so here we have he could swim when he was 6 years old. C'est la façon could doit yo akushinda au passé. Il était capable de faire quelque chose. Okay? Être capable de faire quelque chose au passé. Do you understand? Alright, so here we have a request. Request. Then I can remember request na could yoka polite. So nakarungwa polite, ça veut dire poli, right? So polite request. Here we have could you please open the window? Nakasupozongera bureau, après ngo hari swafu ngabo joto, alafu tsambia colleague, right? I tell my colleague, could you please open up the window? It's hot in here. Huh? Est-ce que vous pouvez Ubweli trisha parce que ngo buhari ngabo joto swafi ndani bana amwe office bureau, right? So could was rumia amai present polite request. All right, so here we have may. So may here we have probability, 50% of probability, and we have permission. So nakangi rumia may langera haruma probabilité, okay? Car c'est sûr, ben 50%, ça veut dire que nous avons certitude à 50%. Here we have it may rain tonight. In the example it may rain tonight. Ça veut dire amfikirisho kutoshika mvua ukuhari, right? It may rain. Ça veut dire que nous avons certitude à 50%. C'est sûr it's 100%, mais it may rain, all right? So permission, here we have may I come in? No? Nagasema mlango na mwanzo ngeo amtsongeo dan haho. I'm like, excuse me, may I come in? Est-ce que je peux entrer? Do you understand? Yeah. So on utilise may pour la permission. All right. So here we have must, okay? So must, yorongwa necessity, obligation, prohibition. Okay, let's see. Necessity, rongwamba, you must study hard for this coming exam. So must was a necessity, okay? So you must study hard for this coming exam. Lazima utwali hangu vuswafi. Harumwa hii exameno ijao parce que supposons que tu as 15 lazima utwali hangu vuswafi. Donc il est nécessaire utwali hangu vu pare note nzuzuru jo passe when the class superior. Do you understand? So here we have obligation. You must clean my room, okay? So tu es obligé uhunze kama shambuli yangu. Sinon I'ma kill you. Okay? Otherwise I'ma kill you. So you must clean my room. Here we have prohibition. So prohibition means yani ngo interdizen rongo. Do you understand? Yani ngo baliton rongo, right? So here we have you must not speak loudly here. Suppose ngerivano walo ngerfanyo meeting ngerna mjilio, right? Après ngela omarasa mse you must not speak loudly here. Kaka bidu babuhe hangu vu huno ngerama bujula avec président, I don't know. So you must not speak loudly here, okay? Here, prohibition, yani ngo baliton rongo, okay? When it is must. Okay, here we have should. Should doit injivia mana waina ndongo moja tu, waika na ndongo nyingi. Should doit si utiliser pour donner des conseils, alright? So should when there is advice, okay? So na kwenye donner un conseil, on utilise should. Here we have you should stop smoking, alright? You should stop smoking. Huh? Yani ngo mbom nyaho conseil amba lisho vrasiga. Because smoking, it is unhealthy. Another example yangine na kamuge mwadi it's something etambiho, you're like, oh my god brother, you should go and see a doctor. Alright, so lazima mwade docteur parce ngo kodo. So you should. Alright, so should was hamwa conseil, okay? Alright, so here we have might. Might, probabilité ya 30%. Okay? So might, rano, c'est bon? Probabilité il y a 50%, hononge probabilité il y a 30%. It might rain tonight. It may rain tonight. Ça veut dire que pour any certitude il y a 50%, il y a 30%. Ça veut dire que c'est sur l'état mohadla sita, il y a une certitude qui est shashi. Alright, so here we have it may rain tonight. So Josh can voir au courant. Ben na might, yo vraiment, il y a 30% de certitude yo shashi. Tandis que na may you get 50%. Okay? So this is how modal verbs work. Okay? In the Hebrew Rumia is modal verbs. À chaque fois how we utilize modal verbs, regeze video na regeze odongo ilo ezo mtando ngowe ou bien commente amba kwaelewa moja haruma zino naka kwaelewa ya pas de problème. Ritsowe lezani ata muone parce que tu vous promets amba cette année on va bosser. Americom va bosser cette année, alright? Là, ce moment, on va bosser tarwa suivi, Inch'Allah. Ensemble, on peut le faire, hein? Parler comme les Américains, oui, grabinari, ok? So, abonnez-vous, tournez la cloche. You will be notified that Americom will post it, right? So, you can also put a notification by Americom will post it. Lur, kuno parorate. Thank you for watching the video. Ritsonana harmai leso injao, toujours lourd, ok? Peace.